Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna let you know that how to fix all Explorer.exe errors in Windows 11. So let's get into it. And the first step is that you should go on this search menu, left click on it and go for Task Manager. Left click on it. Once it's open, scroll down and search for Windows Explorer. Here it is. You can right click on it and restart it. Yes, it's restarted. I hope it should resolve your issue. If still the issue is existing, you can go to command prompt, right click on it and run as administrator. If you see a user account control prompt, you can click on yes. It's open and type sfc space / scannow and press enter on your keyboard. Beginning system scan. This is a verification process, so it will take time. So it has just started. Now wait for this verification to get complete. So it's a bit lengthy process, so be patient on it. Wait for this verification. Once this verification is complete, it should resolve all your issues related to Explorer.exe. So the verification is about to complete. So Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. So close it. After that, you can restart from here, and once you come back to your screen, it should resolve your all issues related to Explorer.exe. I hope you liked this video. That's all from my side, and do not forget to give your feedback in the comments, and also let me know if your issue is resolved. Take care. Goodbye.